Hello guys, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Nephi, band vocalist and YouTube reactor from the Philippines. Hai semua, apa kabar? Nama saya Nephi, penyanyi dan YouTube reactor dari Filipina. Malam ini saya buat reaksi video untuk Nabasa Trio with the song Lady. It says here, Luar, biasa, tingginya suara. So it says extraordinary vocals, extraordinary high vocals. And I'm very excited to watch this. A lot of you guys sent me the link to this video, and of course I could not say no because I know for a fact that your suggestions are really good. So without further ado, let's go check this out. Lady. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I thought this is she's gone though. She's gone. Is there a song in Indonesia? Oh, it's really she's gone. It's in Bahasa. Oh, she's gone in Bahasa. Oh my gosh, this is a really high song, guys. Wow, nice harmonies. Wow. Love the red jackets, by the way. Nice second voices. Oh. This is so good. Oh my gosh. Bro! Come on! My goodness. I love this! I didn't know this is actually she's gone. They're so good. I love the harmonies and the blending. The second voice. I love it. Wow, wow, wow! Love the flute at the back. Love this dude's voice so high. Oh my god! Yes, yes! Wow, he went up. He went higher than usual. Yes! Oh my god, bro. I can't. I cannot. That was so good, man. Oh my god, it's so fun. This is so, yeah, it went up straight. Oh my gosh. my god. Oh my god, crazy. Oh my god. Sustained it, bro. Wow. And they ended with a harmony. Wow. Bagus ya. It is my first time to be listening to a group singing this very hard song, and you know what? They even did the harmonies, and that's even harder, you know? This song alone, when you sing it solo, it's already difficult, but they did it in trio. And yeah, I have so much respect now for Nabasa Trio. I need to watch them again, so you guys need to do your job. Comment down below some of their other performances so that I will be able to listen to them again. The name of their band is actually kind of familiar. I must have reacted to them before, I'm not sure. Tell me guys, because I'm really forgetful lately. The title of the video is actually wrong in a way, because the song is called She's Gone, and they should correct it so that this video could really go viral. But anyhow, I really appreciate you guys for sending me the link to this video. I loved it so much. Nabasa Trio, much respect to you bros. You guys are awesome. And don't tell me they are also from North Sumatra, because I'm so done. Please, don't tell me. Don't tell me. No, no, don't comment. No, they're not from North Sumatra. They're not from North Sumatra. Just kidding. But if they are, man, no wonder. I have so much love and respect for people from North Sumatra, Batak people. You guys are awesome. And thank you so much for sending me links to videos like this. I really enjoy them so much. And if you got more, you know the drill. Comment down below, and you could also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, for all at the description box right down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, because it really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you all so much. Terima kasih banyak semua. Harap Anda semua terhibur, dan jumpa lagi di dalam video seterusnya. Bye. I can't. I cannot. That was so good, man. Oh my god, there's no pause, this was so, it went up straight. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god! Sustained it, bro! Wow. And they ended with a harmony. Wow.
Cinta kita melukiskan sejarah, mengelarkan cerita penuh sukacita, sehingga siapapun